Alright guys, back with another video. This will be the end video of my gaming PC build that I've been doing for my friend. I got my video editing software upgraded. I paid the $40, so now I can record and upload endlessly. Before, for the free version, it got maxed out at 5 minutes. That's why my videos were 5 minutes. So now I'm not going to be editing out as much of my videos. So yeah, here it is. This is the case that I got in the mail today. I was actually really surprised. So I ordered this from Newegg, and I was thinking, it's going to take a while to get here. They're shipping internationally. And it only took a couple days. It only took about 4 days. So if you guys have any computer stuff that you want to go buy, I really... this isn't a sponsored video, by the way. I am just promoting Newegg. Go check them out. They got all sorts of different stuff. But anyway, guys, let's jump right into this video and unbox this case. So here's the case. I am super pumped for this case right now. Super excited. Can't wait for everything to go as planned. Are you guys ready for this? Because it's only going to happen once. Oh. Ooh, the front's plastic. I'm really disappointed about that. But this side, this is tempered glass. Do I get it? Take the screws out? What? Gotta get a grip on it. Oh, that is disappointed with the case a little bit, just a little bit. It's kind of a cheap. It's a really cheap case. Make sure I don't drop this anywhere. And these are all the screws you need for your motherboard and any replacement screws. This makes me happy. I am really excited about this. So yeah, I will meet you guys out in the shed. Alright, so we're back outside. I just unplugged the case, or not unplugged, sorry. I just unboxed the case inside. I brought it out here. And now I am going to add the motherboard standoffs. As you can see right here, little standoff screws that the motherboard sits on and screws down to. Gonna put those in real quick. Okay, so if you come here, you can see all the motherboard standoffs. One right here, 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 there, here, 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 and then so let's put the motherboard in. So this motherboard is the Gigabyte. I actually don't know what board it is because I got it used. It didn't come with a box or anything. But it is an AM3 Plus board, DDR3.
You can see in here, this is an extremely tight fit. So, doesn't break anything, very...
Oh. Okay, so one thing I just realized, yay! A lot of people do this. This is the I/O shield. I forgot to put it on. This is not scripted. I did not mean for this to happen. But now I gotta take the motherboard back out. The I/O shield is what protects everything on the back. All the I/O. So it'll go on like this. And that's what you'll see on your motherboard. Kind of something like that. So let's just set our motherboard back.
Small.
Now all the holes on the motherboard line up with these standoff screws, these standoffs. So where are they? Aha. So this is a standoff screw. It's got a little protector in between the actual screw-in part and the head. This is the only screwdriver I could find. I have one in here somewhere. I just don't know where. So this is gonna have to work. I actually don't even know if it's screwing in properly. This screwdriver is not helping at all. I can't tell if it's like good or not. That's annoying. I have a longer screwdriver. Let me try to find it real quick. I found it. It was on the ground behind that. So let's see if this helps. This one's also magnetic, which is really nice. So that'll help. Where did I miss one?
Right there.
That one, there was no standoff for it. So, oh well. Okay, so this is an RGB fan. I gotta figure out where to plug it in. Thinking, there's one down here. Well, actually, I'll just run it straight through there. Okay, untie this. Zip tie of a thing. Plug it in. And we'll be fine. Ooh, what is that? That is weird, I've never seen that before. Looks like that piece can come off if needed. It's kind of weird. Oh, maybe if I don't need it. Or just to replace them. That's cool. But I won't be needing that, so I'll just bring it down here. Plug her in. Nope, can't put that down there. Can I? That is where the power supply will go. Yay, power supply! Woohoo! So now, let's put the power supply in. Okay, so I just got it plugged in. Power supply's all tight and ready to go. So this is what the computer looks like so far. We have the motherboard already got in. We have the power supply in. Now we got to figure out cable management. So I will get that done and get back to you in 3, 2, 1. Alright, I finished wiring up the computer. It took me over half an hour, about an hour to do. It was crazy. Because I actually had to custom make one of the wires to go into the motherboard. Because one of them didn't work. It wasn't long enough to reach over the motherboard. So I got it done and it's working. And I completely forgot to show you kind of like the after, just after I did the wiring. But it's all done now. It's turned on. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. The case is okay. It's not too bad. It's only got one fan. It said it came with 3, but it's only got one. It's got an LED strip right there. And then you got your USB 2.0, USB 3.0, 1.2.0, headphone and microphone, another 2.0, and then this is the hard drive and the power button thing. That's to restart your computer, and this is just the power button. So I'm glad it turned out good. I really hope you guys enjoyed the journey I've been on to build this computer. So yeah, let's see how good it runs games. Okay, so first of all, jumping right into some Fortnite. Take a quick look at the settings. I have the resolution all the way up. View distance is on Epic, so I'm gonna put everything on Epic for starters. And let's get in a game. Let's just get into a playground. Actually, I'm gonna get into a creative here. So let's see what happens. As you can see, my FPS on Epic settings is hovering around 40, and I do have OBS recording this. So yeah, it's not the greatest. Okay, so we are in the creative lobby, and FPS is not looking good at all. Getting about an average of probably about 18 FPS. So this is not playable. So now I will go in and drop the settings to high, and it goes to a much reasonable, around an average of around maybe 48, 50. This is much better. So now I can go in and I drop the view distance, or I put the view distance, I turn off shadows and I put the view distance to epic, textures medium, effects medium, because some of this stuff doesn't matter a whole lot. And now I'm looking on an average low of 73 at the moment, and it will have some stuttering here and there, but in all, it runs great. So let's get into somewhere real quick and build a little bit. Very laggy because of my ping. I'm not able to do a whole lot. So, yeah. Well, Fortnite is running pretty okay.
Oh, did you hear that we have, like, way more much cats?
So, Josh, I'm recording. Move.
I was gonna help you record, that's why I came out.
You can help me record after I'm done recording this. Sorry. Yeah, so Fortnite Runs good on high settings, and some medium and view distance on Epic. So, yeah. Let's jump.
So the
into
CSGO
some
footage got corrupt, or something happened, so I cannot show the CSGO footage. So the Fortnite footage is all I have to offer. So sorry about that. I'll try better next time, guys.
Alright, so the turnout for this build, I'm pretty happy. It plays Fortnite good, it plays CSGO good, and those are the two games that he was wanting to play on this. So, all in all, we spent around just under $200 at around $174. So, I really suggest these parts if you're looking for a low-end build. It is really nice. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.